Hey friends, welcome back again to my channel Endless Suffer. In this vlog, I will take you to a beautiful tulip garden and I will show you how a Kashmiri willow bed is manufactured, and I will show you a little bit of the Pahalgum district of Jammu And Kashmir. So let's explore. This beautiful garden blooms its flower every year in the month of March and April, and is the second garden in the world after the Garden of Amsterdam, Netherlands.
ये कश्मीर का ट्यूलिप गार्डन है जो श्रीनगर में स्थित है। बहुत ही खूबसूरत है। ये मेरा दोस्त निपुल है जो बहुत फ़ोटो खिंचवा रहा है। हमारा हाथ तोड़ दिया है खिंचवा के। हमारे ढोलू और भोलू है, नहीं लालू और पिल्लू। रमेश भाई थोड़ा देखिए, ये ज़्यादा फ़ोटो नहीं लेते हैं, थोड़ा उसको सिखा दिया ना हम लोग ने। और ये हमारे हैं दंत मंजन साहब, बहुत ही खूबसूरत इंसान है, दिल के भी। कोलगेट और मैं हूँ आपका और दोस्त।
After we had enjoyed in the tulip garden for almost 3 hours, we went to a place. It's actually a factory where the Kashmiri Willow cricket bats are made. These are the famous bats where many Indian and international players played.
पूरी डिटेल के साथ बताता हूँ कैसे बनाते। ये पहले हम एक साल सुखाते, एक साल सीजन खत्म करता है, उसके बाद हम प्लेनर लगाते उस वाली मशीन पे, छोड़ देंगे उस साइड।
Here the owner of the factory is very kind enough to himself came to us and explained everything in detail about how it works, how they made the Kashmiri Willow, the famous Kashmiri Willow effect. He is explaining in detail as how the raw wood of Kashmiri willow went through various processes of various machines until it became a well furnished Kashmiri willow cricket bed. He is also telling us that after even various processes of the machine work, it still left many hard works by hand until it became a well furnished cricket bed.
ये वाली शेप, इसी मशीन पे देखिए, थोड़ी सी बैट की शेप देखिए, यहाँ से काटते हैं, उसके बाद फिर ये शेप बनती है इसमें, ये वाली शेप।
मशीन का बाद जो आएगा ये शेप बनेगा।
हाँ, उस मशीन के बाद इस मशीन पे ये वाली शेप आती है। इसके बाद फिर हाथ से सारा कुछ बनाते हैं।
फिर हाथ का काम है।
फिर हाथ करना होता है। अगर सीजन वाला बैट होता है वो
वाह क्या खूबसूरत शॉट है।
Kashmiri willow.
It's very soft.
This is the final machine. The final touch has been given by this machine.
And it showed us here in this section of the room the final gripping of the bed were given, and after that we have to go upstairs to see the well furnished cricket bed which are ready to use. So here it is, after the furnished, well furnished road, after the stickers and the code, Its weight
After the stickers have been
to
put,
250 grams.
पूरे इंडिया में
final has
जाता
been
है।
given, the final piece. This is the final piece. So this is the final
कश्मीर
stage.
विलो
final
यहीं
piece.
का बनता है।
Okay.
Okay.
These are very light-weighted beds. The Kashmiri willows. वो जो इंग्लिश विलो होता है और ये कश्मीरी विलो का क्या डिफरेंस है?
वो थोड़ा सा
Smart king.
और वो महंगा भी है ज़्यादा होता है। वो कम से कम ऐसा बेड आएगा 8-10 हज़ार रुपये में।
7,000 से स्टार्टिंग है उसका।
स्टार्टिंग प्राइस बाकी जो इंटरनेशनल के बैग है जो खेलते हैं बाकी सारे उनको यहीं से सब
ये सब लिया.
हाँ ये है
ऐसे खाते रहते हैं, ऐसे खाते रहते हैं।
ये वाला बेड देखिए ये सबसे
ये है हमारे सचिन्स and विराट कोहली's.
Is it naked piece? This is the naked piece. Before the stickers have been put.
So after seeing this beautiful cricket bat factory, we bought 2 beds each for us to be played in our state, and then finally we asked his permission to say goodbye and move to our next destination, that is Pahalgum. So along the beautiful cherry blossom trees and apple trees, we are heading towards the beautiful last district of Jammu and Kashmir, that is Pahalgum. So enjoy this beautiful journey along the road with some beautiful songs around. Sit back and enjoy.
पे जा रहे हैं। 30-28 किलोमीटर बाद मिल जाएगा।
And finally, after around 4.5 hours of journey from the cricket bat factory, we finally reached the district of Pahalgum. We stayed in this hotel for around 2 nights and enjoyed this beautiful district. It's a very nice district. We had clicked so many memorable photos. We enjoyed the horse riding and many other activities in the snow.